In this segment, we discuss overfitting. This is a context that is best summarized with the following statement here, which is that the model fails to generalize. So this failure of generalization with new data, that is a very succinct way of describing this overfitting. So this is a scenario in which basically the model memorizes the training data subset. Remember that the training data is simply a subset of the original data. And perhaps at that, with just that input data, the training data, the model performs remarkably well, memorizing, many different pieces, perhaps, if you will. But then the model doesn't really generalize when it's faced with input data that is unseen, and then therefore this becomes fairly evident, the failure to generalize. So this idea that the model behaves really well with training data, that could be that it's learning every detail and noise in this training data to a level that can actually impact negatively the performance of the model when using new data. And so those details and noise that the model picked up from the training data as rules may not really apply when using new data. So this is the inability of for the model to find generalizable patterns. Well, what can we do when there is overfitting? Or what can we do to reduce the chance of overfitting? A method is to reduce the generalization gap that is observed between model performance scores when considering training data versus validation data. At the very least, we need to ensure that the model uses training data and validation data with different data sets.